The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, north central Maury County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, south central Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Hickman County in Middle Tennessee, until 1:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:29 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Centerville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fairview, Kingston Springs, Bon Aqua, Prim Springs, Leapers Fork, Lyles, Nunnally, Natchez Trace at Highway 96, Centerville, Pegram, and Thompson Station. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 175 and 190. Interstate 840 between mile markers 1 and 28. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.